when it rains, she spends what she puts away. She knows her proverbs A to Z and knows the good they bring. But when she has to follow them, well, that's another thing. Oh, little Audrey says, while the sun is out, make hay. Though she's not immense, there's a lot of sense in what little Audrey has to say.
Audrey, is you fast asleep, child?
Yes, Petunia, I'm asleep.
Little Audrey, is you reading by that moonlight again? Land sakes, child, I was warned and re-warned you 1,000,000 times. That moonlight makes you have bad dreams.
Oh, I don't believe it.
You is the most disbelieving child. I was gonna tuck you in, and you go to sleep right this here minute.
To Dreamland, that's what. Gosh, that's terrible. Maybe I can help you. Oh, boy. You would? Gee, I mean, will you? Sure. Come on. Oh, boy. We're here. Come on, Audrey. I gotta report in. Scrape off the stardust and keep the stars shining. And here, they fix dark clouds with bright silver linings. Reporting in, sir.
Well, as I live and breathe. Oh, midnight. What happened?
Well, you see, sir, he was my dream, and I didn't know he was so late. And if it wasn't for her, I would have got lost.
Well, that's mighty fine. And as a reward, Junior, you may show your dream girl how dreams are made. But remember, keep away from the black door.
Look a little, Audrey. Here's a cat nap. And he sleeps like a top. And look at here, Audrey.
start planning, you'll get what good. You're gonna be the most sorriest kid. After this, you'll do the things you should. You can only blame yourself if everything goes wrong. Now you know you shouldn't go where little girls don't belong. You shouldn't have opened the door, although temptation was so strong. Oh, what you did when you did what you did.
For me.
She puts away. She knows her proverbs A to Z and knows the good they bring. But when she has to follow them, well, that's another thing. Oh, little Audrey says, while the sun is out, make hay. Though she's not immense, there's a lot of sense in what little Audrey has to say.
Door. And there before him lay the body with a knife sticking in its back. Sloane's keen-piercing eyes searched the room. Suddenly, machine gun bullets hissed over his head. A shriek!
Audrey, aren't you asleep yet?
Yes, Mother, I'm fast asleep. This is a case for Private Eye Audrey. You're all under suspicion. You there. Why are you hiding? If you had a face like mine, you'd hide it too. Where were you on the night of the crime?
I was home looking at television.
Quiet, everybody! Did you commit the murder?
I only murders the English language.
Hey, you! What have you got up your sleeve?
It's my silver anniversary.
He did it! 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 He did it!
Okay, come on, spill the beans. is a valentine.
A valentine? Mary Canary!